Okay, so Sudeep, let's proceed ahead with your HR for ITI Limited, and that is for the post of executive engineer. सुदीप, आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा हमें बताइए पहले.
Myself Sudeep Vedya, and I was born in a small village Ranipur, which was situated 50 kilometers from my main city Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. In 5th standard, I appeared for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya examination and I got selected in it. So I have completed my 10th class from GNV Tikamgarh MP. In 10th standard, I appeared for another examination which is conducted by Dakshina Foundation. They are providing 2-year GMANS and advanced coaching. So I got selected in it. So my GNV shifted to GNV Rangareddy, Telangana. And I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering from NIT Warangal. And Warangal. So, and coming to my family background, my father is farmer and my mother is homemaker, and my brother is preparing for BSc. And during my BTech, I have done 2 projects. One is Quad Bike Design Challenge, in which I work as a braking head, and my second project is Roning Racing Car Design Challenge. Here I work as a design head. So, and my final year project is prediction of mechanical property of aluminum alloy by using deformed 2D. And I have also done by virtual internship in IOCL, which was around 1 month. So, and from campus I got placed in BYJU'S, and I have done job around 10 months, and I feel then after that I realized that it is not my cup of tea. So I have quit that job, and I start preparing for PSUs and for higher study. And coming to my hobby is to talk with old friends and playing chess. That's all about me.
अच्छा सुदीप, आपने कितना टाइम जॉब किया with BYJU'S?
Around 10 months.
And after that you left it?
Yes, sir.
Then what did you do after leaving job?
Like I have achieved, I have get good score around 771. So I think like I will get something.
Something में क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? What do you want?
Like mostly PSU.
अच्छा, ये ITI तो टेलीफोन मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी है हम लोग.
Yes.
As मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर तुम क्या करना चाहते हो इसमें?
Sir, as I have visited the profile, so I found that they have a separate mechanical department. In that, like they have automatic machine, and a machine is there, and they have one complete production line. So in this, like they are using CNC, and they are also working on 3D modeling. So as I am a mechanical engineer, I have a strong knowledge about SolidWorks, and I have studied CAD/CAM also and MasterCam also. So from there, like I can generate coding for CNC machine. So, and I have also done my one project of Roning Racing Car Design Challenge where I work as a design head. So in that one, like my major task is to design chassis and do some analysis part by using ANSYS workbench. So that's all about me. So I feel like if for 3D modeling there is a requirement of CAD model, so I can do that one also. So, and I also know some coding in CNC, so I can.
आजकल तो market is in the mobile phones, not landline phones. So any idea that whether ITC is in mobile manufacturing also?
Yeah, no, sir. Yeah, they are not doing the mobile manufacturing. Like they are backing a lot more sector. Like if I coming to their products, like they have a lot of product electronic industry. Like they are providing smart card. They are providing electric meter. They are providing, and they are also backing a solar cell, and they also provide a feedback device for public toilet so that cleanliness is maintained. And the most important thing, like they have in recent 2022, they have collaborated with a Tata Tech Mahindra for 4G and 5G internet stabilization, and for like
So Sudeep, my question was mobile manufacturing. How that is different from landline manufacturing? और ज्यादा बड़ी मार्केट कौन सी है?
the mobile manufacturing is a bigger market, as we know that for now each and every person need one mobile, like everyone have one mobile, like
But
we have
लैंडलाइन तो घर में होता भी नहीं है
yeah
आजकल.
yes sir, like now it become in olden day we are using that, but it has replaced by mobile like Android phone, because they have a lot more future that the ordinary telephone don't have, so like it's completely vanished nowadays.
तो आपको क्या लगता है हमें जाना नहीं चाहिए उस तरफ?
No sir, like they also know like the telephone is not in that much, so they have producing less amount, but they have extended their services in other provide other thing, like they are
Why
providing
not mobile manufacturing?
I don't think they have such plan, like they have another step to do.
Okay. Okay, Sudeep, now tell me, GNM codes किया होगा आपने NC machine में?
Yes sir.
Okay, so lubrication के लिए कौन सा कोड होता है? Tell me something about stereolithography.
I don't have that one.
आपको ये जो एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है इसका नॉलेज है कुछ?
No sir.
3D printing?
Yes sir, for 3D printing, like I have not that much knowledge, but I think I know that thing only, like for 3D printing we need some CAD model, so from that like we will put an ASTV file in the 3D model, so that so that it will guide machine to how to make the 3D model of any step, like it may use for like it is used for making a complicated structure, like we have to design a turbine blade, so we can use it there. So for different, and as we know about 3D modeling, it is the wastage problem is very less in that one, and we will get product, and the productivity rate by that it increasing.
Okay. Okay, Sleep. Now tell me this. When we talk about ITI Limited, why you are interested only in this company?
Okay, sir. As ITI Limited said, they have, as we know, sir, the ITI Limited from 2017, they have from after the consistently 4 years, they have become a profit making company, and they are now collaborating with different company, like they have also provided the electronic assembly for PSLV 3 event, which is conducted by like Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. So they are providing, and they are also collaborating with Tech Mahindra for 4G and 5G. And now the company have around 2,576 crore turnover, which is the maximum till last 11 years. So and so from there, like and my profile also matching with what they are offering. So and I feel that they have a lot of opportunity about to come. It is just a start. So that's the reason I want to join.
अच्छा, ITI लिमिटेड के कुछ कस्टमर्स के बारे में बताओ.
Yes sir, like for customers, like they are providing Aadhaar card authorization center, and they also take ITI wallet. The customer, they in Bangalore, they have his own data center, so they are providing the cloud services to government institution or some bank. So we can say these are the customer, and they have lot of things like.
And how do you think you are a suitable candidate for this job, Sudeep?
As this company have mechanical department, so in which like they are working on a 3D printing and and they have a CNC machine. So I already told you, like I am a little bit, I have a strong knowledge about SolidWorks and then Mastercam. So from there I can extract the CNC code. So which may be helpful for me, for the company. So company and these are the things that, like I am thinking like I am strong in that, and it may be useful for the company.
Okay, okay Sudeep, let me give you the feedback now. सुदीप देखो, आपको ना आईटीआई का पूरी तरह से एक बार गो थ्रू करना है सारा प्रोफाइल, राइट? और आपको ये कन्विंस करना है कि तुम इसको क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो कंपनी को, और अभी तक जो आपने किया है वो कैसे लिंक्ड है इसके साथ। आईटीआई जो है वो आपको कैसे लगता है कि आपके लिए ये सूटेबल है सुदीप, बिकॉज ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग?
तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो मतलब उनका जैसे वो इलेक्ट्रिक असेंबली टाइप का बनाते हैं ना, तो उनका तो ऑटोमेटिक ही है, ऐसा कोई है नहीं कि कास्टिंग मास्टिंग कर रहे, वो वाला केस ही नहीं है उनका, सब ऑटोमेटिक टाइप का है। तो
ओके, नहीं वो ये जानना चाहेंगे कि तुम क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हो आईटीआई को।
इसलिए सर मैं सीएनसी और वो कैट 3D मॉडल का देखा था।
तो 3D मॉडल तुम्हें आ रहा है? तुम्हें 3D प्रिंटिंग वगैरह तो कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना तुम्हें।
ठीक है सर, मैं 3D प्रिंटिंग का कुछ अच्छे से रिसर्च कर लेता हूं।
एक डॉक्यूमेंट हमने शेयर किया है इसका, और पीपीटी भी अपना जो एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है 3D प्रिंटिंग वगैरह के ऊपर एक डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर किया है हमने, वो पढ़ा भी होगा, पैनल पे पढ़ा होगा, एंड पीपीटी भी होगी वहां पे, तो उसको एक बार गो थ्रू कर लो, और जो जो तुमने लिखा है कि आईटीआई इसमें काम कर रहा वो, तो उसको गो थ्रू करके तैयारी कर लो उसकी। जो भी मुंह से निकल जाता है, जैसे जीएनएम कोड्स आपने मुंह से निकाले तो तुम्हें आने चाहिए फिर।
यस सर, उसको भी देखना है।
वो कर लेगा, सीएनसी कैड कैम जो भी तुम बोल रहे हो वहां से क्वेश्चन पूछेगा फिर आपसे।
ओके सर।
और कुछ जो रेलिवेंट चीजें होती हैं कि यार ये लोग लैंडलाइन में हैं, तो लैंडलाइन होते कितने आजकल, लैंडलाइन मार्केट तो श्रिंक कर रही है बहुत ज्यादा, तुम एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट में लीडर बनने की ट्राई कर रहे हो जो प्रोडक्ट श्रिंक कर रहा है, तो उसका भी आंसर कि क्यों तुम उस प्रोडक्ट में जाना चाह रहे हो। गॉट इट?
यस सर।
तो उसके बारे में देख लो कि क्या, और मोबाइल जो है मार्केट वो कैसी है, लैंडलाइन मार्केट ये है तो मोबाइल मार्केट कैसी है, वो सब चीजें थोड़ा गो थ्रू कर लो।
यस सर।
राइट, ऐसे आपको प्रोसीड करना पड़ेगा आगे। और एचआर भी और मेरे साथ लगाना। आप कब इंटरव्यू कब है तुम्हारा?
सर 13 को है, कल ही है।
कल ही है इंटरव्यू? तो ये चीजें तैयार कर लो सुदीप, आईटीआई का देख लो एक बार वेबसाइट, और इसको तैयार कर लो, और थोड़ा सा ये अपना रखना कॉन्फिडेंटली कि आप ज्वाइन क्यों करना चाहते हो इसको।
यस सर।
उसका आंसर बस अच्छा देना है तुम्हें। और 3D प्रिंटिंग, रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग जो भी टर्म्स है उनकी, कि सर ये लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं जिसके ऊपर काम कर रहा है आईटीआई, और ये चेक करना है इंडस्ट्री 4.0 या आईओटीज इसमें भी डील कर रहा है ये लोग कि नहीं।
आईओटी मीन
इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स।
ओके सर।
बट अगर वो नहीं किया तुम्हें तो बस इतना कर लो कि एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, 3D प्रिंटिंग, सर ये कुछ नई चीजें जिन पे मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ।
ओके सर।
गॉट इट?